Hey, let me show you how we can change lock screen unlock animation on the Samsung A36 5G, like for example this one. Take a look. It's completely custom, you cannot find it anywhere, and like for example this one, there we go. So what you have to do is just to start by opening a Galaxy Store, and now you will have to go into apps. In the right upper corner, click and select Good Lock. Now you will have to download this application from Samsung and open it. Then just wait for a few seconds until it will be opened. And right here you have to find a plugin called Wonderland and get it on your Samsung A36 5G. Then go to create your different lock screen effect and click here. Or you can also pick one of the default one, but if you want to get your own, click here. And now you will have to pick up your wallpaper. So you can do this from gallery or from default wallpapers. And that's what I'm gonna actually do. You can even download here some wallpapers, but let's do this on this one. Now click close, and by tapping here, you can actually get this different preset. There we go. There's also some kind of a hexagon. After you pick up your favorite style, click right here, and you can change speed of the effect and depth, and also if it is rounded or not. So now let's try it. There we go. Then you have to click here in the right bottom corner and click save. Now after a few seconds, you can simply click to set as a wallpaper and select lock screen. Now just wait for a few seconds and let's find out if it works. There we go. As you can see, it is working.